How to remove collaboration in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove collaboration on Insta. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, head over to the post in which you have the collaboration in. So let's say this is the post that I have my collaboration in. So if I want to remove this, what I will need to do is tap on the three dots on the top right. After I tap on it, there you'll find an option that says edit. So after you find the edit option, tap on it. And after you tap on edit, you will need to head over to tag people. So tap on tag people and there you'll find all of the list of collaborators and the people that you have tagged. Now if you want to remove the collaborator, all you have to do is tap on this cross button right here. Tap on it and it will have removed your collaborator. Now tap on done and then tap on done on the top right corner again. After doing that, your collaborator will get removed. Now let's wait and see till if it's done, and there we go. As you can see, there is no more any collaborators. So that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.